some breaking news right now coming in from Kashmir, where we are given to understand a blast-like sound was reported from Nogam, which is in the outskirts of Srinagar. An explosion is suspected at Nogam, a police station, and casualties are also feared in the explosion that has taken place. In fact, this was at the very police station which carried out the probe in the Terror Doctor module. What we are picking up from our reporters on the ground is that the ammonium nitrate, which was basically seized with the Terror Doctor module case, was kept at the police station when the explosion has actually taken place at the FSL. In fact, on your screens right now, these are the first set of images that have come in. Ambulances have been rushed to the spot. Seeing these latest images now from Nogam, where an explosion-like sound was heard earlier today. In fact, casualties are also feared. Let me also bring in my colleague Niranjan, who's joining us on this broadcast. Niranjan, Zenith should be at this spot anytime now, getting us the latest details. What I'm picking up, Niranjan, is the fact that this was the same place where the first t-shirt items were actually kept, and it appears that that has exploded.
Well, Sean, some key questions. Do we know whether this was, this was by I mean, it's too initial, but whether this was inside the police station or outside? I think some of the details will be helpful, at this point of time. So what we are gathering is that it was at least, yeah. I think Zenith is live on the spot, so we can go across to Zenith. Zenith, coming across live to you, if you can take us through what you're seeing there and what is happening around you.
Niranjan, we are showing you the visuals from the spot. See, we are seeing the Srinagar police, the entire CRPF grid and Srinagar police. Here, this is the nearby location of this very police station where this incident has taken place, and there are possibilities of the casualties because there were the team of FSL, Nogam police, the Srinagar police was here because the explosives that were recovered in all these days, the entire thing was kept here. So we are seeing this building in ashes. Fire and emergency services have also been rushed to see that things that they could bring things under control. So this is the team of Srinagar police. You are seeing this. See, this army has also reached to the spot, and this is quite nearby. This is the Srinagar state. In fact, this is the outskirts of the Srinagar where this incident has taken place, because this is one of the police stations that was working for to bust this module of Jaish-e-Mohammed and Ansar Ghazwatul Hind. Since Saturday, we are seeing all these raids that have been conducted by Srinagar police along with the other agencies.